Lesson 1-11 Practice Comparing and Contrasting Data Distributions. First question. In science class, Claire and Lynn estimate the mass of 8 different objects that actually weigh 2,000 grams each. Which student was better at estimating the mass of the objects? Complete the following to explain your reasoning. Blank was better at estimating than blank because both students had measures of center very close to 2,000 grams, but blank responses were less variable as determined by both the MAD and the IQR. So, I say Lynn did better at estimating because all of her things are less variable, because 225 to 275 and 350 to 500. Lynn was better at estimating than Claire because both students had measures of center very close to 2,000 grams, but Lynn's responses were less variable as determined by both MAD and the IQR. Question 2. 4 amateur miniature golfers attempted to finish 100 holes under par several times. Each round of 100, the number of holes they successfully complete under par is recorded. Due to the presence of extreme values, box plots were determined to be the best representation for the data. Drag to the list the 4 box plots in order of variability from least, which is the top, to greatest to bottom. So, I think they're saying is which of these boxes right here are bigger. So I say C is where it's correct. Oopsies, I accidentally sent player C was the biggest. I meant smallest. So I say C is correctly where it is. So we're ignoring the whiskers right here. So we're trying to figure out which box is bigger. If it's smaller, it's more up, while bottom is greatest. So now let's find out the second smallest box. I say it is player A. Compared to B and D, it's the smallest, second smallest. And I say B is the third smallest. Because look at B compared to D. Question 3. A reporter counts the number of times a politician talks about jobs in their campaign speeches. What is the MAD of the data represented in the dot plot? So, first, we're just going to 3 plus 4 equals 7, since there's only one dot on them, plus 15 plus 18 plus 15, since 7 and 8 have both ones, and they can combine together to make an answer that is answerable in their head. Now let's put that in parentheses and divide that by 10, which we get 5.5, so we can find the difference of all of the numbers that have dots. So 5.5 minus 3 equals 2.5, while 5.5 minus 4 equals 1.5, plus 5.5 minus 5 equals 0.5 times 3. because there are 3 dots. Okay, now we're starting to go to the bigger numbers. So 6 minus 5.5 is 0.5 again, times 3. And 7 minus 5.5 is 1.5. Plus 8 minus 5.5 is 2.5. Now we take that and then divide it by 10, and that makes 1.1. That is our answer. Question 4. Select all the distribution shapes for which the median could be much less than the mean. I say bimodal and skewed left. Actually, it is skewed right, not skewed left, because it could be much less than the mean. What is the 5-number summary for the data? So, the minimum is 0, while the maximum is 11. So now, find the median. Let's count how many numbers there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it looks like there are 10 numbers in all. So we're going to have to find the median, which is the 5th or 6th number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like the median is 5. Now let's find the lower quartile and the upper quartile. So we have to count 3 numbers from left to right and right to left. So 1, 2, 3. Lower quartile is 2. 1, 2, 3. Lower quartile is apparently 5. When the minimum 0 is removed from the dataset, what is the 5-number summary? So, the minimum would be 2 if 0 is removed, and the maximum would stay the same. Now, since there are 9 numbers, the 5th number is the median. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 is staying the same. Now let's find the quartiles. Okay, so we're going to count 3 in the number to the right for the lower quartile. We're going to find the number between it, like 2 to the right and then 4 to the left. So it would be 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 5 through 7, which is 6. Question 6. Complete the following to describe the effect that eliminating the highest value 180 from the dataset has on the mean and the median. The mean decreases from 78.5 to approximately blank. The median decreases from 77.5 to blank. So, we're going to take 78.5 and times it by 10, which is 785. Now we take 785, and since 180 is gone, we're going to minus that, and then uh, 785. Then we're going to divide that by 9, then minus 180. Now that's 67.2s. The median decreases from 77.5 to, so let's find the median. Let's count how many numbers there are. And we're not counting 180. Oh, actually we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, there Wait, I mean we're not counting 180, and there's 9 numbers, so the 5th number is the median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 70. Question 7, or last. The histogram represents the distribution of the number of seconds it took for each of 50 students to find the answer to a trivia using the internet. Which interval contains the median? So, there are 50 students in all. So, there is no median to 50, so the 25th or the 26th number is the median. So, 22 and then 27. So I say 5 to 10 seconds has 25 and 26 for the median.